Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make your Discord username invisible. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is copy from the very top of my description the little icon or little character that I will have pasted there. It's just a weird looking character. And once you have that copied and pasted, you're going to want to go into your user settings, into your account, and edit. Now once you're here, you're going to want to paste it in here, and as you can see, it's right in the center there. And I find that the easiest way to do this is to copy it along with everything around this, as it is a strange character that doesn't really work correctly. So it's sometimes it's hard to copy and hard to manage. So once you have it in there, you want to delete everything around it like that. And you're going to want to type in your password to your account. And right there, you can see it right here. And while it's not invisible yet, when you close out, you can see right here that my name is completely invisible and you cannot see anything. Now, if this helped you out and it worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.